issues. Because when I'm standing up.
Order, please.
The reason why I'm standing up is because I actually talk about the next agenda item. So I'm going to adjourn the meeting. Yes. So listen to me. The adjournment is an adjustable adjournment, or whatever the terminology you're using, because Onoma and I will a lingering issue with the and because I keep on saying up to tomorrow, and God will bear me witness. Because as long as I'm not here about the president of ICAN, I want to know what it is they take even some more. And our party in the Igbo bias, in the by na call. Listen to me. Hold on just a minute. Because and anybody will father. All who know the history of Wawa, or one man who know before who come out, or before who go. If I remember the bias na idide, or when they are not with it, idide is no joke for Japan. And he had a thing in our place of kind of children, but I had a joke. But anybody should come on you. Will leave it up to God to take care of it. I've almost admired all of you. In 3 months, I will hand over this mantle to somebody. But to check your history more, I will face to Sokongo. After everything said and done, I can always run to those individual places, for refuge, or only the way that I do things. All they would tell very well that Unuwa Bundi, I to put this ICAN together up to this particular moment. Some group of people feel and are aggrieved, which there's nothing wrong with that. But we have exhausted every way possible to be able to make this. Manekede with them is this. Oh, well, in the more we tell our board, or working in the behavior children. Okay? Or when some people who have men here, supposed to be stakeholders, Malone know that can be able to mediate the issue. Because everybody has the right to say that they have a right wrong. But have that one, Ebuona Nefi, or Nabana Ebu, or Boliana flip floppers. I don't like it. Or what another baby. Preoccupy. Odo for now, but I didn't need it, but I'm making a half for only a considerable money and Ejiaka. There may be well at this woman, and those women have the right to do that. So, I hate you what the thing because when this issue of Edith Demily started, I reached out to member leadership of Edith Demily because when I was in Nigeria, all this young man like here behind Kusumon, so now was certain information had John said,